So now I'm going to talk about just a handful of very powerful effects, some that I use quite often, and one of those is crop. So for instance, if I grab this little file called Kids on Sand and place it in my timeline, let's say I wanted half the scene to be black and white and the other half to be in color. So one thing I could do here is go to crop in my effects panel. I don't always remember where crop is, so in the search I might type in crop, and I see that it's under transform. So I'm going to grab crop and place it on my timeline. Now I've got the crop effect in my menu, and I'm going to crop, let's say, the right side. So I'm going to open up the right side and I'm going to crop it. Okay, and so let's say I want it to be softer. I want the edge to be feathered. So I could do that. I'll make it nice and feathered and go more to the right. Okay, so now I basically have my top layer, which is going to be colored on the left, but what about that bottom layer? So here's my top layer, and I'm going to hit my Option key, which we learned in week 2, and I'm going to copy and paste it down below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out crop. Okay, so there's the bottom and the top together, but they look exactly the same. So now I'm going to go get an effect such as black and white. So I'm going to type in black and go look for my black and white effect, and I'm going to grab and drop that in the bottom half. Okay, so now we see that the top half is cropped